You asked, I delivered. Guys, I'm so excited to tell you about this opportunity that I have before you right now. I'm letting you know right now that yes, I do my extensive research so you don't have to, and I want to help you land a permanent remote job. Now, this company is called Community Phone, and of course we want to emphasize on remote. This is a remote first, and it's always remote. It will forever be remote, okay? And of course this company has a meaningful impact on all their clients, and so they are very big on customer service. So if you know you have a passion for helping people, you are geared to providing customer satisfaction, then this job opportunity is definitely for you. So you don't have to think twice about it, okay? Now, I just want to take a little time to let you know, guys, I would love for you to comment below, like and engage with this video, watch to the end so that we can let you know about the rates, how to apply, and of course I would love the support. Thank you. Now we're gonna get into a little bit of the details. So you will track customer concerns. Of course, you will ensure every customer has a extraordinary experience. You're gonna listen for opportunities to upsell our customers on additional products and services that will save them money and solve their issues. Now, you are this personality, okay? You're calm under pressure, you're kind, able to adopt, excellent in both verbal and written communicational skills, and of course we want to get into the important part. We want to know the compensation, okay? Because we're working hard. What's our pay, baby? Now it's $6 per hour as a base salary, and of course you have the potential to get commission too, okay? So we want to work hard and we want to be on the top of the stats, okay? Now your shift, let's check out the shifts. So you know our shifts are US time zone based. We are open every day from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can expect to work on weekends on a rotating basis. Now this, guys, I love this opportunity. I want you to get on it right now. So we want to click on how to apply to see how the application process is about. Is it easy? Is it smooth? Is it okay? So is it challenging? All right, so we're gonna get into it right now. So all you need to do is upload your resume, and of course you know you can contact me for your resume inquiries. I can do a professional resume for you so that you can stand out above all the competition, because you know that this company is we're hiring globally and you want to be ahead of the competition. And of course these companies do have an ATS system, and you want to ensure that you can be able to pass that computer system. And of course based on that results, just the same, you want to be able to have your resume in a PDF format. You want it to be structured, you want it to be updated just the same, okay? So I can assist you with that. You can contact me at 575-0533. Again, that's 876-575-0533. Now let's get into business. Now you're gonna go ahead to put your first name and last name, your email, all right, your LinkedIn. If not, that's okay. Now this is their preferred amount and their budget. Are you able to withstand $6 per hour? If that's okay, you're gonna go ahead to say yes. Do you have two or more years of customer support experience? Are you comfortable with upselling? And of course, you know, you would share a little 30-second video telling them what made you apply for this role, what made you motivated, all right, why you want to work with us. So they want to know through a Loom, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead to proceed further. You're gonna have a little bit of assessment. So I'm gonna just read the first one, and then when you go on a job application, you can go through the rest, okay? So the first question is, please write a response to a customer who complained that their bill is $10 more a month than what they signed up for. The bill increase is due to a special one-time promotion that has expired. Alright, so you would know how you would respond to this answer, and of course you put the best and accurate answer because you will be assessed by this. Okay, all right, so we're gonna check on the rest. Oh, it's actually just 2 questions, guys. This is simple, it's easy. You can definitely get through with this job opportunity, guys. Jump on it right now. All right, so could you share an experience where you successfully de-escalated a customer without resorting to offering financial compensation? And of course, guys, you have to be a critical thinker. You have to be sales driven, goal orientated. Of course, you have to think on your feet. You have to have attention to detail, guys. And of course, you can be able to get through with this job opportunity. So if you got through with this job opportunity, you got your job offer. Yes, don't forget Andrea. Don't forget Andrea. Please go ahead to support this video by putting a comment below, like, and engage as well. It's really appreciated. Now, guys, go ahead to apply and happy job hunting.